Hi all, in this video we are going to see an overview of Realo accounting software. Here we can see a toggle Arabic. That means we can convert the software to Arabic if you double click this one. And for logging the screen, you want to select the company, enter the username and password, press login button. You will get into the dashboard. This is the main dashboard view. From here, what is the main toolbar is available here, and we can also view the total today's sale, today's purchase and today's payment. And in dashboard other things is available. Main document expiry. In document expiry we can monitor the employee ID documents and vehicle documents and other firm documents like license and everything. If you enter the details in the document entry section, we can view the contact expiry details, what is the expiry details available, and these documents are going to expire as soon, so that in the dashboard itself it will be shown full detail. And other thing is item expiry. Item wise expiry also we can view from the dashboard section. Then other section is the customer bill wise balance. We can select the customer from here, and what is the bill wise balances it's pending there, we can view in the dashboard itself. And the other thing is top sold items in a date period, from which date to which date, what is the top 20 sold item and what is the bottom 20 sold item, and not sold items, what is not sold in a day. And the other thing is available notes. That means if a manager want to give any notes or any messages to the employees, we can enter in the notes section and it can be saved. And when the employee is logging into the software, they can view the notes, is it available, what is written by the admin section. And the other section is POS section, that I will show you on the time of showing the sales view. Here we can see the details, what all the options is available in the Realo software. In the admin panel section, what is the admin based detail like user management, document monitoring, what is the document entry, what is year ending section, splitting the company, entry of a new company details, all based on the admin section. The master, it means the master creation like stock, ledgers, groups, categories, like locations, all the master entry is based on the masters. And the transaction is basically what all transaction is going to done by a firm, like purchases, sales order, purchase order, accounts like receipt, payments, job card details, work orders, if any production details you want to enter, is based on the transaction. Then it's about payroll. It means the employee salary and expenses, attendance is based on the payrolls. And other option is available projects. If you have if it is a construction section, there will be lots of projects. Any other site section, site oriented firm is there will be projects is there, so we can enter the project detail also. Then the last one, like report section. In each and every department or each and every section, there are lots of reports that we want to go through it, and we can identify each and every. Now we can move to the products. So here is the product view, like what all products is entered, it will be listed here. We can search by code, name, descriptions, and we can search out the details, and we can view the negative stock separately, zero stock item separately. Each and every section we can search it out. And if you want to edit any product detail, we can edit from here. If you want to add a new product, you can just click the new product button, then there will be the pop-up of creating a new stock item, it will be open. And in this section we can detail enter the code, details, category, what all the suppliers details, MRP sections, each and every section we can enable. And also one option is available like photo adding. Like if you have the web camera in your section, if you want to add a product photo, you can directly connect the webcam and you can directly save the product images. And also for the mobile section, there will be serial number option is like any hardware section also is available, like serial number. If you're giving any warranty section, warranty products, there must be a serial number. If you want to enable the serial number, just tick the allow serial number option. Then on the time of purchase and sales, we can view the serial details. Now we can move to the sales section. There are two types of sales entry, is the normal sales entry and post POS sales entry. This is the normal sales entry, which we can select the customer, we can enter that mobile number, we can scan the product and directly save. From here we can we can design multiple bill designs, and we can keep in a section. On the time of printing, on the time after the saving the bill, on the time of printing, we can select which one of the print we want, like A4, A5. We can customize 2-3 prints and everything. And now I will show you the POS screen. This is the POS screen. Here they will ask for the login section. We are selecting the login detail. We can also enable the privileges to users, like on this section, if on one user, staff 1 is a user, if we give the permission of sales, when they are opening the software directly, they will only access to the POS section. Balance everything will not be accessible. So here is same as like the sales section also. You can scan the item, all the details will come, and all the shortcut will be listed here. We can also create shortcut keys for that and directly pay the button. This is about POS. And about the purchase, same as like the sales, we can select the supplier. We want to enter the supplier details and everything, and directly scan the product and directly save it. After doing the sales and purchases, definitely there will be receipts and payments. On the basis of customers, we want to enter the credit customers receipts. We can, first of all, we can select if it is a cash, credit or anything. We can select from that, and if it is a cash, definitely it will be cash on section. Otherwise we can select the debit account if it is by check or something, and directly select the customer, how much they are giving to us, that means how much amount we are receiving. If you want to add a bill wise section, we can enter the product and just click on the bill wise. What all bills are pending on the customer, it will be listed, and we can select that one. As like same as receipt, there will be payment section also. On the basis of supplier, pending supplier details, we can enter the we can pay the pay amount, we can enter properly to the software. After sales, purchase, payment, receipts and everything, definitely we want to check the cash book and bank book. We can directly go to the cash book and bank book from here itself. Yeah, this is the cash book view. We can do with the opening balance, current total, what is the closing cash and everything. As like same, there will be bank book also. And the other thing is daily transaction summary, what is done in a day, in it will be listed. You can see that what is total today sales and purchases, sales return, purchase return, receipts and payments. And we can also sort out from which day enabled section, from which day to which date. If it is selected, we can sort out, and what is the total opening balance on those days, and what is the last closing details, we can see in a one report section. Now when we are going through report section detailedly, you can see the purchase reports here. These much purchase based reports are available. Like you can see purchase, all the purchase summary, registers, detailed purchase, like purchase order details, status, inquiries, each and every section we can see that. As like purchase also, there are lots of sales sections. Sales reports is also there. You can see each and every sales report detailedly. You can see here like sales register details, these much sales are there, summaries, quotations, orders, day wise reports, outstock, what is the pending details, pending overdues, what all things is there, we can check it out. When we are moving to inventory report, we can view the current stock details, low stock summaries and other thing, movement analysis. Like we can analyze our firm, what is movement, what is the great movement items, or by group or item wise. And expiry section is also there. When we are moving to account reports, you can see the account summary, ledger reports, bank book, cash book, suppliers, like what is the balance, customer balance, ledger wise detail, balance sheet, statements of the account. Each and every section we can view. And when we are moving to finance, you can see about trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheets, cash flow, fund flows and VAT reports. All the VAT reports is based on the finance report is available. And about the production, what all production, material in, material out, each and every report we can go through in the report section. Counter based reports are the payroll reports are the other, like GST reports and other email and customer logs. Like if we enable the email sections, we can view the email logs also. So this is a small overview of Realo accounting software. This software is mainly used for all types of retails and wholesales, business sections, for accounting, inventory and payroll sections also, like supermarkets, building materials, mobile shops, each and every section, and the software is already implemented with VAT section itself.